The Inventory tool allows you to generate reports for selected machines, giving you the ability to catalog hardware and software information. This can help to minimize the workload for an IT technician or technical user. Open the Impero console. Go to the Admin tab and click on Inventory. In order to use this tool successfully, you must ensure that all of the machines within the selected group are ticked. Click on the Reports tab and use the Advanced panel to set up the reporting criteria. Enter the name of the report that you want to create and add any specific search criteria. You then need to select the category and subcategory that you are looking for. Under Search Type, you can specify how you want the search to behave. For example, you can choose to search for an exact match of the search criteria, or you can select to find all entries relating to the search criteria. To run the report, click on Add Filter. The report will show details of each machine, and in this case, the amount of RAM capacity on the workstations. Clicking on File will give you the option to save, load, or export the report to a CSV file.